Welcome. Here's how to fit the CPL filter for the T800 4K dual dash cam triple channel. The package that arrived in 70Mai CPL filter model ACC-CPL T800. Let's get rid of the sticker here. So it comes in a foam box. It's quite firm. Interesting here, you can see in here there is a crosshatch rubber fitting. Something important to note is when you hold this, you can actually rotate. Hopefully you can see that. So when you place it on the camera, I don't know if you had watched my previous videos, you'd see that I mentioned this knurled knob on the lens, which is great because without the knurled knob it can quite easily allow its CPL filter to fall off. So they've improved the fitting. I can just put that on there and you can see here that it's just a matter of a nice straight force straight down. It's on. And now to set the CPL filter, can't have dust on it. To set the CPL filter, when the camera's fitted back to the windscreen, you just look through this and rotate it until you get a point where the reflections from the dash are no longer visible. Now to assist in that, there's a white line being placed on the lens. That will help a lot. So in this case, the camera is fitted to the windscreen like this, like that pretty much. So that's facing up, top of the dash cam on the windscreen. So to start off with, just place the dash cam CPL filter white line in that position and you're pretty much going to be okay with reducing the glare. So I'll be placing this back in the car now and taking it for a test run. It's a nice sunny day today, surprisingly, and we'll see how that works. I'm sure it'll work well. Thanks for watching. This has got the CPL filter on it. Just put it on today. Every drive since I left the house is with the CPL filter set. And all I did was put it vertically up with the white line. Didn't actually adjust it. Should be alright though.